Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very cool knife unboxing to share with you guys. There's something in here that, this is one of those things where the very first time that I saw it, I was like, yep, I have to have that. The image had barely registered in my head. So yeah, I'm going to be excited to share this with you guys. I'm going to be honest with you, I've already been into it because when it arrived on a Saturday, and I don't film on Saturdays, and I don't like to leave boxes of knives that I know are mine. Like later I have to open it up, right? But I am still going to share this with you. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's get in here. We have a Protech, obviously, right? You guys love to watch stuff on Protech. Oh, what do we have here? Yes, we have a Godfather, the beautiful inlay on the button. But more importantly, this knife is sporting the new Sapphire DLC. Oh, why is this so cool? I've seen blue blades before, Metal Complex. Why is this one so different? Because this is an actual DLC, not paint, not a Cerakote, right? This is a DLC coating as far as I understand. I have no idea how they make it. But what's interesting is that it's actually durable. How they achieve the blue color, I don't know, but my goodness, they did such a good job on this. Any areas that look purple, it's like oils from my hand, so you can see I'm wiping it off, and it has this rich sapphire blue color. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Apparently, it is similar, the process is similar or identical to how they get their rose gold finish. I didn't even know what to say the first time I saw this. The first time I saw it, it was on the TR3. And I thought that was cool, but I thought, well, they're obviously going to do this on some other models. So I messaged Protech and I said, what do you have coming up in that Sapphire DLC? I'm sure that you will apply that finish to a lot of different stuff. And they said, we're going to do the Godfather, and I was like, oh, perfect. I wanted an excuse to buy the Godfather. I just didn't know. It was one of those things where I just wanted to wait until I saw a version that I loved. By the way, the action on this, yeah, wonderful. The Godfather is an awesome model. Not going to be for everybody. It's a gigantic automatic knife, but the model is already kind of crazy, right? So adding this blue DLC, oh man, I was like, absolutely. Now, I am certain that they will do this on more models. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. You know what I'm going to say. Obviously, I'd love for them to do a Protech Rockeye. But I think the one that would be really interesting would be the Protech and Strider SNG. Even more interesting if they did a compound ground blade with this Sapphire DLC. That would be the coolest Protech, and I'm sure they're like, oh, you have no idea, right? I am sure that they're already trying to figure out how to do this with some of their more popular models, or maybe they've already done it, right? This is easily one of the coolest looking things, the coolest looking blades of 2021. Yeah, is it going to provide corrosion resistance? I believe so. And I think it's also going to provide additional abrasion resistance too. It's still a 154 cm blade, which I don't have a problem with. I know some people will. I don't. That's fine. Have problems with what you want to have problems with. We certainly live in a world where it's generally accepted to just have problems with whatever. Yeah, this is super duper cool. Obviously, this is not a review. I'd love to tell you this is the first time I've handled it. I've been playing with it through the weekend. But still, I will do a video on this. It's not really going to be a review because I have reviewed the Godfather already. Great knife, just huge and definitely not for everybody. But yeah, this is mine. I did pay for it, paid full price for it. I'm going to admit something to you guys. A lot of you know that I posted about this knife when it dropped on DLT, and I said, here it is. It's available, right? Because I was hinting that I knew that Protech was going to drop another cool model with the Sapphire DLC. I'll admit I did buy myself one shortly before I posted that, and then they apparently were sold out just minutes after I posted. And I'm not saying they sold out because I posted. They sold out because it's an interesting new model, and it was dropped on DLT where a lot of people, go to shop for knives. So they probably didn't have very many, and I managed to snag one right towards the end of their availability. So I'm sorry that I served myself first, but DLT did not hook me up. It was not given to me for free. I was not given an opportunity ahead of everybody else. I noticed that something was being purchased through my affiliate program, and I went to see what it was, and there was this guy sitting there. And so I thought, I need to get one because I would like to show this on the channel. So I will link this down below. It's probably not available, but I am certain that we will be seeing more of the Sapphire DLCs from Protech. I hope that they do this to like everything, I hope that every popular model they've ever done, I hope that they do a version with the Sapphire DLC because this is super duper cool. Eventually, they'll probably do a Malibu, a Protech Malibu, the manual button lock with the Sapphire DLC. I'm sure that would be quite popular. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Like I said, there will be a video on this in the future, more comprehensive, maybe giving some more details about the DLC because I don't know a lot about it right now other than it is a DLC and it is blue. So there you go. Thanks so much oh gosh, I'm doing my intro over again. Don't need the intro. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.